If you are over 18, you will get money from the government for going to school.
That is what we call SU. The amount is about $800 to $900.
Here is Sarah. Sarah is 17 years old.
I get nothing.
In Denmark, you have to be 18 to get a driving license. A brand new car costs about $35,000 plus utilities. That's why not many people has a car in Denmark.
That is why many young people is riding a bicycle. This is Sarah. Sarah is 17.
And this is mine.
We know that you know that we drink a lot of alcohol. In fact, we're the country in the whole world who drinks the most.
In Denmark, you have to be 18 to get to the club and get drunk.
Here's Sarah. Sarah is 17.
I have to get a fake ID.
When you turn 18, you have to pay taxes.
In Denmark, the lowest tax is 37%.
Here's Sarah. Sarah is 17 years old.
I don't have to pay a shit.